everyone, welcome back. Today we are continuing with New Year's performances, and this is a performance of Ding Yuxi and also New Year's Eve party performances, and this is on Hunan, which sometimes I really have a hard time able to post anything because of the copyright. So the song, if I take like the whole title and add it into Google, it says fireworks fade away quickly. So, and sometimes it could be just a little bit different translations. So let's go ahead and check this performance out. I'm very excited. I am more known of him as an actor than a singer, so hearing him sing is a different side that I have been definitely enjoying. So let's go ahead and proceed. No fireworks.
繁华声遁入空门，折煞了世人。梦偏冷，辗转一生。
Very handsome look.
是你默认，生死苦等一圈又一圈的年轮。浮屠它断了几层，断了谁的魂？红纸本一盏残灯，倾塌的山门，容我再等，历史转身，等酒香醇，等你弹一曲古筝。
Oh my gosh, so beautiful. His vocals, oh, so gentle. I love seeing everybody's cameras recording. Very beautiful song. He sparkles. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, wow. So we got little fireworks. Looks like we got some lanterns. So pretty. I'm telling you, these stage presentations. Ah! I like what they did there. Oh my gosh, come on. This is amazing. They have the best ideas. Wow. Just the little things. Again, as always, you need so little to make everything look absolutely amazing, absolutely stunning, and make sense and be so in connection with fans. First things first, absolutely love whenever people are able to film. You know, I think it's not for everyone. I will say that. I film during concerts just because I would love to have these memories, even though, of course, you remember things and you remember the feelings, you remember the enjoyment and excitement from everything. I think a visual after so many years might fade a little bit. So that's why we have the concert footages. Guys, come on, right? But of course, you want to do it mindfully and just perfect to where it's not in everybody's way. At least, definitely try your best. The other thing kind of sucks whenever you do film. It feels like you missing at least so much of a percent of the actual performances as well, because once in a while I have to check the phone, make sure everything's correct angle, everything is in the correct spot, and then you're like, oh, I forgot, I need to stare over there, then here, and then the moment you stare there, this goes somewhere else. You can't win. You just cannot win. As I said, anytime I go to these concerts, I'm like, I need another person to come with me. I will pay for your ticket. You don't even have to like the artist. I just need you to film. So I don't have to. So I can just full on enjoy. Doesn't happen. Anyways, so this performance is absolutely wonderful, beautiful, just stunning. He looks absolutely gorgeous and just absolutely handsome. I love all the sparkles and just makes him sparkle just as much. The song sounds absolutely wonderful and it's just has such a pure sound to it, and his voice is so great. Oh my gosh, definitely more performances I am needing. So very simple stage. I like how his jacket just comes off. It's almost another look. Then we had the lantern, and then we had the little ribbon, which kind of gave that representation from the drama that we just watched. I don't know, right? That makes sense, okay? I think that's what it is. I mean, if it's something else, you let me know, but that is what I'm going with, because that is definitely it. And I think from what I could tell on the visual of that ribbon, it did look like a lotus also. So I don't know. That's it. I'm going with that. You can't change my mind. So absolutely amazing performance. I am very happy to be able to see this and that it exists. And we'll be, of course, waiting for more, just like waiting for more dramas as well. So thank you guys so much for stopping by, watching, liking, and commenting. And don't forget to subscribe so you know when videos come out. Now we'll see you next time. Bye.
It doesn't have to be goodbye to build up the better days. Takes a while, we're stronger than we've ever known. All we did to